Looking for a great all-inclusive that's family-friendly in the Dominican Republic? Look no further than Sunscape Puerto Plata. Today, we take you around and enjoy this great resort. Where are we going next? Let's go. Good morning. So I thought I would take you to breakfast this morning. I'm first going to stop by the gym, fill up my water bottle. There's two places on property that I found that you can fill your own water bottle. First is the gym. They have one of the big water jugs. And then the second one is the coffee shop has a nice water container there as well. But other than that, you have to kind of go up to the bars, ask them to fill up your water, or your housekeeping will bring more water bottles. And you can always call and ask them to bring more. We haven't done that yet. We've just been fortunate to be able to fill our water bottles or grab them from housekeeping when they are near our room. So here's my walk to the gym and then to breakfast. It's a beautiful property. It's actually a gorgeous day today. Yesterday it rained off and on all day long. So today is beautiful and sunny. I'm hoping to get a little bit of a tan today because I'm a little too white to be on this beach. So, but let's go walk the property a little bit and I'll show you around. This way is the way to the beach, and then if you come this way, morning. Yes.
You leave their clothes?
No, I'm just filling my water. They have the water jug. So the towel lady didn't like that I was going to get water. She thought I was going to work out in my sandals. So no, it's getting water. Here we are headed now over to the buffet breakfast. Right over here. Another great option in the morning or any time of day is Coco Cafe. Located nearby the full-service restaurants, Coco Cafe is a coffee shop. There are great breakfast items as well as sweets that are served throughout the day. So whenever you need that caffeine kick, swing by Coco Cafe. In Playa Dorada, in the section of the Dominican Republic that our resort is located in, and we are enjoying the beach, just kind of relaxing. It's a little bit cloudy off and on today, but we've really enjoyed the beach right here. We have a private section for the Sun Club, which I'll explain in another video what the Sun Club is versus regular, but it's really a beautiful beach, very quiet. There are some vendors that walk along, but they really, they come and offer you stuff just like anywhere. But if you tell them no politely, they move on. Just say, maybe tomorrow. Not today, maybe tomorrow. And then, they'll move on. But it's been a beautiful day here. A little more cloudy than I like. It's been raining off and on all day. But nothing can dampen enjoying this gorgeous view. And I'm just going to flip around. We are in the private area here. This is the Sun Club area. And you'll see it's roped off from the rest of the beach. But then if you look around, you can see that, there's the regular section right there. So it's really not that much different than the regular section. And if you go right back up that way is where the beach bar is and everything. So it's not very far away, very close by. But what's nice about this section, it's all shaded. So if you have somebody like my husband who hates being in the sun, it's a nice spot for them to hang out and relax because it's all under the mangrove tree, the nice trees here. So it's nice and shady. But if you're a sun lover like I am, you might want to go out in the regular area, which is more open and out in the sun. We'll catch up with you later as we continue our glorious vacation here in the Dominican Republic. Well, good evening. Here we are on night 2. We're going to go to another one of the a la carte restaurants. Like I said yesterday, a different one is open every single night. Tonight we are going to the Argentinian one. So we'll see how this goes. We're going a little bit early tonight because last night, as I gave you that review, the food wasn't very much. It wasn't very good. And so we ended up staying up late to go to the late night snack bar because we were still hungry after our meal. So tonight we're going a little bit earlier to dinner. That way, if it's the same kind of thing where we're still really hungry, we have several options still available if we wanted to go eat somewhere else. Yes, we are a little bit of a foodie, so today really was a fun day. We just kind of laid around, went to the beach again, went and hung out at the pool for a little bit. They had a cute little Dominican celebration around like 4 o'clock where they had some Dominican food and things like that. So we really just kind of laid around and enjoyed the day. Nothing spectacular to report on, which is why I didn't really show you anything. Tomorrow we plan on going to, there's a little shopping mall walking distance from here, so we plan on going and checking that out, but I will get up with you guys on that later on. So tonight let's go check out Gauchos, the Argentinian restaurant, and I'll let you know all how that is. But here we are, evening 2 at our lovely resort of Sunscape. Check it out. Alright, so we are here at the Argentinian grill. I ordered the mixed grill and my husband ordered the Creole chicken. So here's my dish. we're gonna jump into these and see how good they are. All right, well, welcome. We are done with our dinner. Night 2 here at Sunscape. We went to Gaucho, the Argentinian grill. If you think of a traditional Argentinian grill, it's where they walk around with the meat on the stick and drop it at your table. That's not what this was. It was an a la carte. Still had a salad bar that you went and helped yourself, and then your main dish and your dessert was brought to you. I had the mixed grill, which had 3 different meats. It had a rib, it had sausage, and it had beef. And then my husband had the Creole chicken breast with French fries. So both of the meals were fairly decent. And then for dessert, I had the apple strudel, and he had the cheesecake. The cheesecake was not very good. The apple strudel was, let me put it this way, both of the desserts were definitely store-bought. They definitely weren't made on site, so you know the quality suffers a little bit with that. Overall, the service was much better than last night. It didn't take us forever to get through there. We maybe were there an hour, whereas last night we were there a couple hours to get through dinner. So the service was much better tonight, even though it was relatively the same staff. The way this property works is every night they have one a la carte restaurant that is open, and it rotates. So tonight was Gaucho, tomorrow is the Italian place again, and then on Thursday will be the Asian place. So I'm excited to try the Asian place and see if it's any different than the other 2. We actually found the Sun Club Lounge with the premium liquor tonight. We knew it existed, we just hadn't stumbled across it yet. And tonight we found it because our room key got demagnetized and we had to go back to our check-in, and guess what? That's where the bar is. It's at that check-in spot. So we'll know where to go for the premium liquor for the rest of the trip. But that's it for tonight. We're gonna have a couple more drinks here before heading up to our room, because tomorrow we're gonna try to get up a little bit earlier and get a little bit more stuff knocked out during the day. Go to the mall that's next door, and we want to talk to the tour guide to see if it's worth it for us to book a tour to the 27 waterfalls, as well as a couple other things through this desk here versus trying to go it alone. My husband's a little bit nervous about safety and things like that, and if you go with an organized tour, it tends to be a little bit safer. And because we don't know the logistics really well and we don't have a car, it may be our best option to actually just fork over the money for an organized tour and go about it that way. But we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Have a great night, and see you tomorrow at Sunscape Puerto Plata. Where are we going next? Let's go.